Right. Have a good weekend.
Keep strong.
I'm trying.
Gaga.
Real good, got the black socks and you know just like she should. Hey, yeah, and you know that I go. I see my brother Indiana and he's feeling the flow. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you know that I rock, chilling every day, and you know I don't stop, little man. Hope you feeling right, chilling every day, and I'm chilling all night. Yeah, yo. And you know that I go. I see the little baby over there feeling the flow. Yeah, just chilling with your dad. He's the best time that's ever
And when you're done with your name, please cap the pen, hold it up like this. We're about to play a game called Hurry Up and Put the Pen in the Bag. Not much fun to watch, but I start slow, then die out completely. Tap on the phone, turn it down.
It's like, it switches.
Telling everything about him, I'm like describing how he is.
All right, it is still a beautiful world in spite of what anybody tell you, trust me. And no matter what's going on in this old crazy world, trust me, it's gonna, as long as God is still up there, we're gonna be fine. Don't worry about a thing. Yes, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Yes, every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, hey, smile with your eyes and three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry, hey, y'all over there, about a thing, hey, baby. Yes, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry 59 minutes about a thing. Yes, every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the right.
Was even alpha.
And your name fast. That was fast. And look at those smiles. Are you guys stunned or stoned? It looks the same. Here, we'll try it again. What's your name? It's in my pocket. I'm going to keep doing this until they like it. Now in the back, get as close as you can. On the side, squeeze in. It's close-up magic, and this is the best part. So make sure you see his name nice and clear, because the thing that makes this better than YouTube or TV is there's no camera tricks. 100% pure sleight of hand, inches between you and me, and your name is Municipal. No sleeves. Did I mention I work for tips? If you're looking for his card, it's in my pocket. I'll keep doing it until you like it.
Nah, vai tomar no cu, velho.
And your name? Brian, if you stare, you'll see a change. Try it out. I'm kidding, it don't really work. Just wanted to see if they'd want. If you're looking for his card, better. Out here, you have to be good. If you want to get 5, you have to be good. If you want to get 10. And if your name is on this card, I'm hoping everybody
just chilling today. Hope you have a good time on the Thursday. Gotta let the week chill. Everything is knowing, brother, man, gotta chill. Gotta make it right every day and all night. And you know it, brother, man, no, I never ever bite, no. Gotta keep it original. Every day you know it, brother, just rock it though. Hey, keeping it right. Have a beautiful day and a beautiful night. Yeah. Hope you're feeling real good. Every day just like you should. Yeah. Keep a little man chillin'. Hope you're having real good. Really got the feeling. Yeah.
Yeah, there's been. Oh, it's big.